Hi, Bestie. If you're looking for an ultimate cash budget planner that's frugally priced, that can meet your budget whether you're low income or not, that's 12 months. It has 12 monthly calendars, 12 monthly budgets, and within each month there are 5 paycheck budget, savings challenges, and various trackers in here as well. This just might be for you, so hopefully you decide to stay along for this flip through. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the flip through. So the first section is financial goals. In each section, it does start off with an affirmation. You have your brain dump pages, then you have the ability to write your short-term, long-term, then your quarterly goals, then your categorical goals, and then your monthly goals, and then you have some note sheets. Next up is your financial overview, where you look at your monthly balances for the different categories, your bill schedule, your subscription schedule, some notes, sheets again, and then starts off with your saving challenges. You have a monthly savings challenge, a quarterly savings challenge, emergency fund challenge, a birthday challenge, and then a variety of other challenges in the budget planner. Alright, and next up is your monthly and paycheck budget. So you have your calendar view. Starts the week off with a Monday, and each month does have a quote. Then you have your monthly budget. Then you have 5 paycheck budgets and cash envelope breakdowns each month. And then the month start all over, and like I said, each month has a quote or affirmation to start off each month. And that's on the calendar pages. So if you have a tight budget, this is for you. It's available on Amazon for $18. Now I did make the black one. I was trying to make the black paper one more reasonable. But because of the color that they have to do, it's costing more. And I removed it. Not sure if I'm going to bring it back because I don't like the price range that I have to charge for the black paper one. And I'll have the link for this budget planner in the description, just in case if you're interested in trying this out. And so the last section of the budget planner, I do have trackers in there for you. So it starts off with your debt repayment trackers, then there are sinking fund trackers, then there are blank trackers that you can customize based on your personal budget or financial needs. But Bessie, thank you so much for joining me for today's flip through. Toodles!